We'll guide you through how to do rotating animation in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu appears, look for Google Chrome by typing its name into the search bar and launch Google Chrome on your computer from the search results. After the browser has loaded completely, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From a search results page, click on the official Figma website to continue. Before moving forward, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access your files, projects, and editing tools without interruption. After signing in successfully, the Figma main page will load in your browser. To do rotating animation in Figma, start a new design by clicking the plus design button on your dashboard. Next, select the text tool, which is represented by the letter T icon in the toolbar. Move your cursor to the location where you want the text to appear and left-click with your mouse to place a text box. Type your desired text into the box, then complete the action by clicking anywhere outside the text box. After creating the text, click Actions on the toolbar to access additional tools. From the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets. A search field will be displayed, allowing you to look for available plugins. Type Rotating Animation into the search bar and wait for the results to appear. Browse the available options and choose a suitable plugin. For this example, we will select the plugin called Rotating Components. Once the plugin window opens, tap Create Component to generate the animated element. The plugin will process the selected text and prepare the rotating component within your design. To verify that everything is working, locate the Preview option in the top right corner of the Figma interface and click it. The preview window will open and display your design in action. Watch the animation to confirm that the component rotates as expected. If the animation appears, the setup has been completed successfully and your rotating text component is ready for further customization.